it's time for the finishing touches that takes your professional attire from ordinary to outstanding. Whether it's your hair, shoes, or jewelry, these are the elements that play a crucial role in defining your style and making a lasting impression in any professional setting. So let's dive into the world of accessories and discover how they can help you stand out with confidence and flair. Number one is you want to understand the power of accessories. Accessories are not just add-ons, they are statements. They have the remarkable ability to complete your entire attire and add personality and convey your individual style without saying a word. Think of them like an icing on the cake. They are elements in the icing and the cherry that make it look from good to great, leaving a remarkable impression wherever you go. Let's take a look at some tips for selecting a perfect accessory. Number one is your hairstyle that speaks volumes. Always remember that your hair is your crowning glory. So choose the hairstyle that complements your face, shape, and your professional image. Opt for sleek ponytails, elegant updos, or neatly styled haircut that exudes professionalism and polishness. Second, you have shoes. Now, shoes you need to understand that they carry you through. So your choice of footwear can make or break your outfit. So you want to invest in well-crafted, comfortable shoes that not only match your attire but also reflect your personality and professionalism. Whether they are classic pumps to stylish loafers or sophisticated heels, let the shoes make a statement of their own. Third, we move on to jewelry. Now, small pieces of jewelry create a big impact. The right jewelry can add a touch of glamour and sophistication to your look. So you want to choose the pieces that enhance your outfit without overpowering it. Think of subtle earrings, delicate necklaces, or a statement watch that speaks volumes about your style and attention to detail. Next, we have adding personality and polish. Accessories are more than just adornments. They are expressions of your personality and style. They allow you to inject a bit of flair and individuality into your professional attire, making it unique and uniquely yours. Whether it's a colorful scarf or a bold pair of glasses or a chic belt, don't be afraid to let your accessories reflect who you are and what you stand for. Always remember that your personal style is your styling point. I call it your USP, which is your unique styling point. In the world of professional attire, accessories are your secret weapon that set you apart from the crowd. They are the subtle yet powerful accents that elevate your look and leave a lasting impression on colleagues, clients, and peers. So the next time you're getting dressed for success, remember, accessories are not just extras, they are essentials. So choose them wisely, let your accessories speak volumes about your professional style and confidence. Here's to accessories for success in every aspect of your professional journey. Take care and happy styling!